Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Julia and I do videos like this once or two times a week, and I like so much to have you here with me on my YouTube family. So if you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And for my returning subscribers, I want to thank you for sticking around. Today's video is really exciting, and actually the idea of doing it was coming from one of my subscribers, and on the meantime my best friend here on YouTube, I'm talking about Leah McDonald's. She commented in one of my videos that I was referring to we poor Europeans, that we don't have the same brands and the same wonderful deals that you have there in America. And actually she said that I should come up with a video to talk about the brands and the products that I would like to try and they are not available here on Europe, and especially on Czech Republic, the place where I'm living, or the country that I'm living. So if you don't know, I'm living in Czech Republic, which is in middle of Europe. First brand that I'm so willing to try, it is the Jouer Cosmetics. Actually they are called Jouer Cosmetics, and I know this for sure because the CEO of this cosmetic brand is a wonderful lady. So she created this company with a purpose, with a cause. So that's why the name of the company, it is called Jouer Cosmetics. And of course, like everybody, I would love so much to try their mascara, their tubing mascara that everybody, including their mother, grandfather, and I think even the cat, it's swearing that that mascara doesn't smudge, it's coating your lashes and it's wonderful. So I would like so much to get my hands on their mascara. Also, I know they have a very good blender sponge, type of the sponge that you apply foundation, concealer and so on. And yeah, I would like so much to be able to have this brand closer to me. The second brand that I'm intrigued to try is the brand called Avaliable Beauty. I think I heard first time about this brand from Emily Noel. She is one of the persons that is mostly talking and raving about this brand, and especially about their lip products. Now, to be honest, I even don't know if they have some other products excepting lipsticks and everything related to lip. And one thing that makes me want to try this product, this brand, is because they have all the edible ingredients, and also I heard a lot of YouTubers mentioning how great quality it's on their lip products. So yeah, this is my second wish to try brand. The third brand is actually very special for me because the brand, it is created by Sona Gasparian. I'm following Sona probably from the beginning of my YouTube journey. The brand that I'm talking about is the Persona Cosmetics, and I know they released their first eyeshadow palette, I think a couple of years ago, the Identity 1 eyeshadow palette, and now they have released the second palette called Identity 2 palette. Their products are available now in Ulta. However, I would like so much to try, and why not to support the brand of this wonderful lady. The fourth brand that I would like to try is the Marc Jacobs Beauty. Now we have the Marc Jacobs here on Sephora, but we only have their fragrances, their perfume line. And I know that on Sephora US they also have their makeup. So I know they have those beautiful eyeshadow palettes. I think they are like this slim. I will pop them on the screen because probably you all heard about them, and the packaging is amazing. And also I heard many people several times they were raving about how good is the quality. But of course I want one of these palettes just because it's so pretty, and yeah, I like pretty things, so what can I do? And also I know they have amazing foundations, lip products and all those goodies that are not available here on our Sephora. So yeah, I would like Sephora bring here, please bring the please bring here the Marc Jacobs Beauty. The fifth brand that I would like to try is called BK Beauty, and this is also a indie brand, and the creator, the owner of the BK Beauty is Lisa J, that I also follow here on YouTube. I discovered Lisa around 2.5 years ago. She was actually doing a collab with Emily Noel, so this is how I discovered her. She's also a makeup artist. She was previously a MAC trainer, so she knows a lot about makeup application, brushes, products and so on. She recently, like half year ago, launched her brush line and she has amazing brushes. She announced that she will release a new brush line, so it's even more exciting. So yeah, I would like so much to try and support Lisa's brand, because why not? She's amazing. I love her, and you might hear me mentioning her from time to time on YouTube, speaking about products that she recommends. The other brand that I would like so much to try, and we don't have it here in Europe, is the Dominique Cosmetics, and I love her eyeshadow palettes. The color story of the palettes, it's something that it makes you want to buy them and have them on your collection. And of course the quality of the shadows that everybody raves about them. I even don't know if they have other products excepting eyeshadow palettes, but I'm an eyeshadow palette junkie. The next brand is the Jouer Cosmetics. Actually, Jouer Cosmetics I'm able to purchase from Beauty Bay, but however I would love so much to have it here on Czech Republic to test their products, because sometimes the blushes and the finishes you see online is not the same with the actual product on the pan. So I would like so much to have them more close to me and to be able to see them before actually purchasing them. Another brand that is available on Sephora.com is the Lawless Beauty, and I know that Lawless Beauty is a clean brand on Sephora. As I'm starting to be more mature, I'm thinking more of taking care of my skin, and I'm thinking what I'm putting on my face and so on. So yeah, from this reason I'm thinking to invest more and more on clean makeup. And also I heard that the quality of the makeup is actually amazing, and even Lisa J, I think she was testing and reviewing some of the Lawless Beauty products, but she's not the only one who has mentioned this, so there is that. Another brand that is available there in US is the Tatcha, and they have an amazing primer that I would like to try. I will pop it here on the screen because I don't remember exactly how it's called. And also they have a really good cream that I also heard it gives you really good results. So I would like so much to try those products, and why not other products from Tatcha brand. The last three brands are more affordable. They are from the drugstore spectrum. So I will start with the Covergirl. We don't have here Covergirl, but I would like so much to try their products, their foundations, their concealers, the lipsticks, the blushes and so on. I would also love so much to try, to have it accessible here, the brand number 7. I know this brand is also hypoallergenic and it's UK based brand. They have one lash growing serum that I'm really wanting to get my hands on it, but it's not possible to purchase it from anywhere, even on eBay, on Amazon. It's not shipping it here on Czech Republic. So I want so much because I need something to help my lashes grow and give them more volume. And of course they have some other products like powders, foundations and many more that I like to try, not only their lash serum. So I heard many people giving positive feedback for this brand, and from this reason, of course, I want to have it here. And the last brand that I would like to try is the Song and Glory. And I know this brand is coming together with their humor, and they are funny naming their products like Brow Arch and Mother Pucker. I don't remember, there are some funny names that they have put on their products, but they have good foundation. I think I have seen Sabrina, she was raving about one foundation for oily skin, and let me tell you, that girl is really oily. So if she raves about a foundation that is able to control her oil, why not? I would like to try it. So yeah, those are the 12 brands that I would like to try. So if you have tried one or more of these brands and you love them, please let me know in your comments down below. What are the products that you are more loving and more using from those brands? And also let me know what I should avoid if by any chance they will become available here on my country. And like a small mention, this is not a brand, but there is something else which I would like to have available. Of course, not to come in Czech Republic, but I like so much that at least Boxycharm and Ipsy to expand their shipping and to ship worldwide or internationally, and to include Europe on their shipping destination, because we are not so far. Come on! I'm sure that there are many people in Europe that would love to get their hands on Boxycharm, Ipsy, and there are other beauty subscription. I know that FabFitFun now they are shipping to UK. However, I'm not so interested on FabFitFun, but I'm interested to get the Boxycharm and Ipsy, or at least one of them. So please, please Boxycharm, please Ipsy, if some of you are watching, do something for we poor Europeans. Now I should stop complaining about we poor Europeans, and I would like to thank you so much for sticking with me, hear me rambling about my hidden wishes and so on, and I hope you return for more. And also I would like to say again a special thanks to Leia for giving me this idea of the video. So thank you Leia again for this brilliant idea. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe before you leave, and I want to wish you all to have a great blessed day ahead. I will see you again on my next video. Bye bye! Mwah. Regards from Europe!